So our first pair in geometry is linear. So the first thing I want to talk about is, this one is a central atom with two things attached. What if you only have one central atom, so here's my central atom, and one other thing attached? So if it's, here's my central atom and one thing comes, then it just kind of goes like this. And then what does this look like? It looks like it makes a straight line, and then the angle from here to here would be 180, okay? So this would be kind of your first, that also falls under this linear, but we usually don't describe it because it's so simple. So the first one would be an AX. A is always going to be my central atom, and then X is going to be like the other elements that are on my central atom, okay? So this is an AX. You've got the central atom and one other thing, and this bond angle right here is 180. Because you're going from here to here, and then this would be 360 if you made a whole circle. So it's a half a circle, which is 180. So now the next question would be, if I have my central atom and somebody else wants to bond. So another atom comes in, he wants to make a bond. Here's my bond, okay? Toothpick. So the idea here is that this electron and these electrons, this electron and these electrons can't be close together. They want to be as far apart as possible. That's VSEPR. So this is too close. So to be as far apart as possible, he would want to be on the other side. So he's going to go on the complete other side. So this is what it looks like. So all the way straight across, like this. Okay? This is what linear looks like. You have a central atom and two attached. This is what the Lewis structures would look like. So this is called an AX2 geometry. So you'd have your central atom and two electron groups. You'd have your central atom and two electron groups. So when there are two electron groups, they're going to be on opposite sides, okay? Opposite sides from each other. This is going to be a linear geometry, and you get a 180 as your bond angles, 180, okay? I've got a bunch of pictures to kind of help you see these. So this is kind of the balloon picture. So if I tied the balloons together, they would go just directly across. This is the ball and stick model that we talked about, and then this is my space filling model. And then I got my little styrofoam ball thingies here too, okay? All right, next video we'll talk about our next shape.